Family, what does that cloud look like? Look above the building. Can you see the cloud? Right there. What does it shape like to you? Comment down below. Guys, did you see what just happened? This lady decided to come up on my car. I just hope they don't poop on my car. Oh, the other one left. This one take over and she's eating all the food. Whoa. Okay, guys, let's zoom in onto her since the other one left. Okay, they're the same family, but this one, the beak is longer. So if you know about birds, guys, let me know the difference between the first one and this one. Comment down below and let me know the difference. Blessings. And comment down below, and let me know what you thought of that cloud before it started moving. Thank you, guys. Please share the video and subscribe. Thank you.